Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about the ways to increase Messenger engagement. Let's get started. Are your subscribers reading your messages on Messenger? Do they click on the links that you send them? As a marketer or a business owner, you can apply some practices to increase your engagement with your leads and customers. First, improve customer relationship with your business. Offer quick support via Messenger. You can send relevant messages to your potential customers. Most customers are confident about businesses that respond to their message inquiries. It is important for businesses to respond to anyone who sends a message on their Facebook page. If people know that you respond fast to every message that you receive on your Facebook page's inbox, more customers will be enticed to choose your business over your competitors. This will help you increase your engagement on Messenger since your customers know that you always respond in a few minutes. You can set frequently asked questions to offer to your customers so that they can receive a response from the list of frequently asked questions that you have set. Next, you can also add your m.me link in your Instagram bio. If you have an Instagram account, you can attract people to your Instagram content. If your Instagram followers take a look at your bio, they will learn that you have a Facebook account too. The m.me link will make it easier for them to message you directly on your Messenger account. They will initiate the conversation, and if you have set up your automated responses, you can cater to their needs as soon as possible. Next, integrate your Messenger chat on your website. It's one of the ways that you can leverage your e-commerce website to grow your audiences on Facebook. This e-commerce site has a Messenger chat integrated on their website. Anyone who discovers this page can send inquiries about their products via Messenger. On your Facebook business page settings, you can add the customer chat plugin on your website. The conversations inside the Messenger widget are saved and you can still access it on your Facebook page's inbox. Next, use Messenger Tools that has a feature to create a QR code for your business. QR codes can be scanned by your followers' mobile camera. This is a great way to link your Messenger to your offline marketing and redirect people automatically to your sequences or subscribe people to your list. You can print your QR code on your business cards, posters, t-shirts, flyers, or as a part of your posted content. It's a unique way to redirect people to offer free downloads, free voucher codes, or subscribe leads to your flow that includes getting their information. You can create a unique QR code for your business. You can even attach your logo inside a QR code. As people use this QR code, the Messenger flow will be activated. People will receive your messages instantly, such as getting their information in exchange for free offers. Also, it can be used when you're conducting a seminar where you want to automate getting the attendees' information instead of asking them to write their contact information on paper. Next, use the Get Messages feature when posting content on your page. When you include a Send Message call to action button on your post, people can easily click on the Send Message button to inquire about your post. This allows people who are interested in your products to initiate the conversation with your business. And as they receive a response from you, you can tell them more information about the product, offer a promotion, and you can expect them to ask more questions about the product and later convert them into buying customers. It is important to drive traffic to your Messenger so that you can start conversations with potential buyers, offer them help, and recommend your products that can benefit them and give solutions to their problems. If you need to go viral, we have a marketing app that can help you use memes to go viral and increase your engagement. Mighty Memes is the best meme marketing system that speeds up your fan page, reach new audiences every day, and help boost your sales organically. Mighty Memes generate solid engagement. You can get tons of likes and comments. It's a great way to connect to your audience. Memes connect with the viewer on an emotional level. It's easy to get endless viral potential. Just keep on creating new memes and attract more traffic. It's extremely likable since everyone loves to laugh at a good meme. It provides quick consumption since there's no need to play a video or read an article. People love memes because they can be consumed quickly, and it sets off the share impulse. Anyone who discovers a good meme will not hesitate to share it. It's an instant attention grabber. You can use recognizable images that make people pause and pay attention while they scroll their feed. So try Mighty Memes now. Go to getmightymemes.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.